Okay, now if we have an anomaly on a length such as this hole, there's a little tip of what we can do to alleviate that. We'll just widen it up a little bit using this implement, and we'll dampen the holes. It's very similar to where we made the ends up, or the bowling ends, just to moisten that up to bind. And I've made a malleable cone, which I'm going to squeeze into that hole, really firm it down, cut off the excess. There we go. Really pack it down tight. That's that. Little bit of grass clippings. Hole's disappeared, and that will be as hard and as firm once it's dried as anywhere else. Another little tip for you.